loves. Today I am preparing to do my first ACV rinse on my son's 2-year-old locks to get rid of any product buildup that has accumulated over time. It's going on 8 weeks since his last retwist, and as you can see here, his hair really needs some TLC. I've recruited my daughter to help me with recording this video, and I will say that she did a great job with being a helper today. I purchased this inflatable sink off Amazon. I will do my best to link it in the description box below for anybody that's interested. This is my first time doing an ACV rinse, so I really did not know what to expect for some time. So this video is not a tutorial, but more so to show you guys what I did to help remove some of the white buildup from my son's hair. It was his nap time, so he really was not feeling the timing of when I decided to do this on his hair, as you can see. And our puppy Halo was doing her best to try to figure out exactly what was going on the whole time. I'm using warm water to rinse his hair, about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 cup of vinegar, and about 3 to 4 cups of baking soda. And I'll be doing just 1 round of this and working it throughout his hair for as long as he can stand it. I was aiming for about 30 to 35 minutes, but I only got about 20 minutes done in this video. His hair is kind of long, so I was doing my best to try to make sure every part of his hair got saturated with the product, with the ACV, vinegar, baking soda, and lemon juice concoction. And I also used a massager just to kind of calm his nerves a little bit, as you guys can see. So I'm just really rinsing every part of his hair, including the top, because he does have a lot of product buildup in his hair from getting his hair retwisted with edge control and just other products that I think, we made the switch to just go the more natural route now. So we will not be using edge control moving forward, and we'll be using more of a natural product. So right here, I'm just checking each lock for any loose residue that I can either see or feel with my fingers, and doing my best to massage it out. I'm going in with the AUSSIE brand shampoo and conditioner, and I'm going to shampoo this hair twice and condition it twice for the sake of removing all traces of the vinegar smell. AUSSIE brand is awesome for 4C type hair and low porosity hair. It has amazing slip and it smells so good, y'all. This brand that I got right here is the apricot and macadamia oil fragrance, and it's literally the best combo I've ever bought by the AUSSIE brand. I ended up finishing by transferring him to the sink area and just rinsing everything, because as you can see, the water started to get really full with bubbles and suds from the shampoo and conditioner. So yeah, this is the finished product, you guys. This is what his hair is looking like. His hair is looking so good, y'all. It feels lighter, it looks fluffier, it's flowing better. I don't know if you can tell from the beginning, but his hair was really stiff, and of course there was so much white buildup that it was just so apparent and so obvious. Now you can see his hair is still partially wet, but most of the buildup has been removed with this ACV rinse. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel.